Look at them. These gentle giants, these living mountains of muscle and bone, walking testaments to the sheer power of life on Earth. They are the undisputed heavyweights of the land, yet their diet, from birth to their final breath, consists almost entirely of plants. Leaves, grass, bark, roots. The very definition of diet food. To us, creatures who meticulously count calories and obsess over protein intake, it seems like a profound contradiction. How can such immense size be built and sustained on a diet that seems, by all accounts, incredibly light? This is the question that whispers in the quiet moments of the night, a paradox that challenges our fundamental understanding of metabolism, nutrition, and even the very nature of growth itself. Is it a biological anomaly? A secret defiance of universal dietary laws? Or is it something far more intricate, more brilliant, and more fundamental than we could ever imagine? The answer, we find, is not a simple cheat code, but a masterpiece of biological engineering, a perfect symphony played by forces so subtle they remain largely unseen. The secret of the elephant's impossible bulk is not one single secret, but a complex, multi-layered solution that begins with the very structure of its being. To understand the elephant's defiance, we must first descend into its world, a world where the laws of physics operate on a different scale, a world of incredible, unseen power. Let's confront the paradox directly. An adult African elephant can weigh anywhere from 4,000 to 6,000 kilograms. That's up to 6 metric tons, the equivalent of roughly 70 adult humans. To maintain this colossal mass, and even to grow, it requires an unimaginable amount of energy. Yet, these titans are almost exclusively herbivores. They don't hunt. They don't consume calorie-dense meats or fatty foods. They live on a diet that we, in our fitness-obsessed world, would label as low-calorie, high-fiber, and plant-based. For centuries, this contradiction fueled myths and simple explanations. Perhaps they eat a special, nutrient-dense plant, or maybe they simply eat constantly. While the latter is partially true, an elephant can spend up to 16 to 18 hours a day feeding. The sheer volume alone doesn't fully explain the efficiency of their growth and maintenance. There must be something else at play, a hidden mechanism, a biological advantage that allows them to extract maximum potential from what we perceive as meager fare. What if their secret lies not just in what they eat, but in how they eat, and more profoundly, how their bodies process it? To truly grasp the elephant's caloric intake, we must understand the sheer volume of food they consume. An adult elephant can eat between 150 to 300 kilograms of vegetation every single day. Imagine carrying that much food to your mouth, let alone digesting it. This enormous quantity, even of low-calorie plant matter, begins to add up. It's a fundamental principle. If you eat enough of anything, you will gain weight. The elephant embodies this principle on a colossal scale. But it's not just the quantity. It's also the quality of what they eat, interpreted through their unique biological lens. While we perceive grass as low in calories, it is rich in cellulose, a complex carbohydrate that is incredibly difficult for most animals to digest. Humans, for instance, cannot digest cellulose. It passes through us as fiber. But for the elephant, cellulose is a goldmine. Their digestive system is a marvel, designed to unlock the energy stored within these tough plant fibers. This brings us to a crucial element of their secret, a hidden factory within their guts, a teeming ecosystem of microscopic workers. The true alchemists of the elephant's diet are not the elephants themselves, but the billions of microscopic organisms living within their digestive system. Like many large herbivores, elephants are hindgut fermenters. This means they have an enormous and highly specialized large intestine and cecum that act as massive fermentation vats. Within these vast chambers, a diverse community of bacteria, fungi, and protozoa work tirelessly. Their primary job? To break down the cellulose and other complex carbohydrates that the elephant consumes. These microbes possess enzymes that the elephant's own body lacks. They ferment the plant matter, converting it into digestible sugars, organic acids, like volatile fatty acids such as acetate, propionate, and butyrate, and even some vitamins. These organic acids are then absorbed directly into the elephant's bloodstream and used as a primary energy source, far more efficiently than simple sugars. This symbiotic relationship is a profound testament to biological cooperation. The elephant provides a warm, stable home and a constant supply of food for these microbes, and in return, the microbes provide the elephant with a constant, rich supply of usable energy, effectively turning diet food into potent fuel for growth and maintenance. Here's where it gets even more fascinating, almost counterintuitive. Unlike ruminants who have multiple stomach chambers and spend hours thoroughly digesting their food, elephants are relatively inefficient digesters. Studies have shown that elephants only extract about 40 to 50% of the nutrients from the food they eat. A significant portion of the plant matter passes through undigested. At first glance, this seems like a disadvantage. Why would such a magnificent creature be so wasteful? The answer lies in its scale and strategy. Because they are so large and consume such immense quantities of food, they can afford to be somewhat inefficient. Their strategy is not about extracting every last nutrient from a small amount of food, but about processing vast amounts of food quickly. This inefficiency is actually a clever adaptation. By moving food through their system relatively quickly, they can continuously consume, process, and extract enough energy from the sheer volume, without getting bogged down by a slow, multi-stage digestive process. It's a high-throughput system, optimized for bulk processing rather than absolute nutrient extraction. This continuous flow ensures a constant energy supply to fuel their massive bodies. Beyond the digestive system, the elephant's internal biology plays a significant role. Elephants have powerful growth hormones that drive their development from a relatively small calf to an enormous adult. Their metabolism, while efficient at converting plant matter, is also geared towards sustained growth and maintenance of a large body mass. Consider the energy expenditure. Maintaining such a large body requires a considerable basal metabolic rate, the energy needed just to stay alive. However, larger animals generally have a lower mass-specific metabolic rate. This is a principle known as Kleiber's law. This means that once an elephant reaches its massive size, it doesn't need to burn an incredibly disproportionate amount of calories just to maintain that size, relative to a smaller animal. This evolutionary adaptation helps to conserve energy. Ultimately, the elephant's ability to thrive on a plant-based diet and achieve such colossal size is a product of millions of years of evolution. Their ancestors, the mammoths and mastodons, faced similar dietary challenges. Over vast stretches of time, their bodies developed these specialized digestive systems, their enormous size becoming an advantage for reaching high foliage, deterring predators, and storing vast energy reserves in the form of fat. Their diet food is not just sustenance. It is the very fabric of their evolutionary success. It allowed them to populate diverse ecosystems, from lush forests to arid savannas, where abundant, low-quality vegetation was the most readily available food source. Their bodies became perfectly tuned machines for transforming the seemingly humble into the undeniably magnificent. So, the next time you see an elephant, understand that its colossal size is not a defiance of dietary logic, but a testament to its profound understanding of the universe's subtle rules. It teaches us that diet food is a human construct and that raw, unprocessed nature, in sufficient quantity and with the right biological tools, can build mountains. The elephant is a living, breathing paradox that perfectly explains itself. It consumes colossal volumes of fiber-rich plant matter, processes it with an internal microbial factory, and leverages millions of years of evolutionary adaptation to achieve its awe-inspiring size. It reminds us that the answers to life's greatest mysteries are often hidden in plain sight, waiting for us to look closer, to question our assumptions, and to appreciate the intricate brilliance of the natural world. And who knows what other secrets the majestic creatures of our planet hold, waiting for us to uncover in the quiet moments of the night. Join us next time as we explore more of these incredible mysteries.